Hey there, it's Akash, and I'll just quickly walk you through this workflow. So this workflow is pretty simple. So the main objective of this workflow is to identify the people who are visiting our LinkedIn profile. And once we have the data, we're filtering out the ICP. And once we have the ICP filtered out, let's say someone matches the ICP criteria, then what we are doing is we are like sending a Slack message saying something like, hey, a person from XYZ company who matches your ICP visited your LinkedIn profile. Here's the LinkedIn URL of their profile and so on. Whatever message you want to add, you can just simply add it. So like it's a part of getting notified that there is a person who is a potential prospect. And then we are also sending the data to Claytable, from where it's getting further enriched and it's getting prepared for your outbound campaign. And then you can send like the prospect into any sequencer of your choice, maybe Smart Lead instantly, or even if you want to send them a LinkedIn connection request, which is a personalized request, you can even do that using HeyReach. So let me just quickly run it and I'll walk you through how it worked. So I just ran the AI agent. So first step that happened is, so right now it's getting executed manually, but you can set a schedule trigger, let's say twice or maybe once a day. So it will run once or twice a day. And then the first step that's happening here is, I'll just quickly open it. So the first step that's happening here is we are identifying the folks who are visiting our LinkedIn profile. So for this step, I'm using this tool that I recently found, and that is ghostgenius.fr. So this tool allows you to connect your LinkedIn profile, and then using this connection, it's going to identify who is visiting your LinkedIn profile. And so yeah, like, so one thing to notice here is like it's giving result of only page one. So each page returns around 10 results. So let's say you want to identify the last 100 folks who has visited your LinkedIn profile, you need to add a pagination step. So let's say you need to do pagination till 10. So which means like the last 100 profiles who visited your LinkedIn profile will be extracted if you add a pagination of 10. So yeah, once you have the data here, we are splitting out the data. So you can see like we have split out the data into 10 different items, and now we are running a loop. So in this loop, the first step that's happening is we are enriching the LinkedIn profile of the prospect who just visited your LinkedIn profile. So we are getting all the data from the LinkedIn profile. For this enrichment step, the tool I am using, you can even use Ghost Genius, but I like using this tool better, which is enrich.so. It gives you real-time people and company data using APIs, and a lot of good companies use this tool. So yeah, so I'm enriching the person LinkedIn profile, and then I have created a simple AI agent. I have prompted the AI agent to follow the steps, enrich the company LinkedIn URL, check for ICP match, and if the ICP matches, send the data to Clay Webhook, as I mentioned earlier, and also a Slack message. So you can see I'm passing the company LinkedIn URL where the prospect is currently working at, to see if the prospect is working at a company that matches our like matches my ICP criteria. You can see I have given my ICP criteria here, so it's like a sample prompt that I gave, but you can like add more details to it. So you can see like I help agencies and software companies within the size of 100 employees to create business automations, so something like that. And then what happened is, I'll just show you the steps. In step one, it said that, hey, I'll enrich the company LinkedIn profile to see if they match your ICP criteria. Then what it did is it went ahead and it enriched the company LinkedIn profile, and like from where it got all the info about the company. Now it did step two, which is it was able to identify the company data, blah blah blah, and now it tried to check for the ICP criteria. It went ahead and checked that the company size is within 100 employees and so on. Once all the criteria matched, it responded as the company matches your ICP criteria. And now the third step is, I think it's send a Slack notification. Yeah, so it sent a Slack notification, and then it also pushed the data to a Clay table. Sorry, to a Clay table using Clay webhook. So yeah, so I'll just quickly show you how I set up the Slack. So yeah, you can like connect your Slack account, and then you can see here like first name. So the message looks something like Marcelo Andre, who fits under your ICP, just visited your LinkedIn profile. Their LinkedIn profile is this, and you can add more details to it if you want to add the company profile, the company size, the description of the company here. You can even add that so that you can take a quick look. And also it pushed the leads to this Clay table. I pushed the LinkedIn profile and the full name, and inside the Clay table I am running further enrichments and sending the leads to a Smart Lead campaign. The campaign is not yet ready, so I was like preparing this for one of my client. So once it's ready, I can even send you the results or something like that. But yeah, so this is how it works. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, if you, one last thing is like you can add more tools to it if you want to send the data or organize the data into a Airtable, or maybe you want to directly send them like personalized mm, a LinkedIn request. If they're not already connected with you, you can even do that by adding another HTTP request tool and adding any uh, tool of your choice here. Let's say you use HeyReach or let's say LGM, whatever. So yeah, you can customize it however you want. So let me know if you have any questions, or if you want me to help you with building a system like this, just hit me up. Yeah, cheers, Akansh.